Hello everyone. Today we're diving into everything we know about Ghosts US Season 6, including renewals, potential release windows, and what's next for this beloved comedy. Ghosts US is a long-running supernatural sitcom on CBS adapted from the British series. The series originally premiered in October 2021 and has been steadily renewed, with Season 5 premiering on October 16, 2025. CBS previously announced a multi-season renewal, picking up Ghosts through Season 6 as part of its comedy roster. This means a sixth season is already greenlit and expected to arrive following the current run. Although CBS has not yet announced an exact release date or official trailer for Season 6, we can look at the show's historical pattern. New seasons usually premiere in mid-October during the fall TV schedule. With Season 5 debuting in October 2025 and episodes airing weekly, Season 6 would likely follow a similar cycle. Based on typical CBS planning and the multi-season renewal, Ghosts Season 6 could be expected to premiere in fall 2026, most likely in October 2026. A first trailer would likely arrive in late summer 2026, ahead of the premiere. That's the current scoop on Ghosts US Season 6, confirmed via CBS's renewal plan with a likely fall 2026 launch on the network.